What's happening, mi gente? Louie the Boiler Man here, guys. We're here in Freeport, New York, and guess what, guys? What do I tell you guys? What do I advocate and tell you guys all the time? Do your meaning. So right now we're working on a Burnham oil steam boiler. I'm sorry, hot water boiler. Sorry, but right now we're working on a Riello burner, and we troubleshoot it, and we found out that the filters are clogged, guys. Of course, we checked the oil tank. The oil tank is about a quarter of a tank full. And guess what happens when it's a quarter of a tank? It starts picking up all that shit and sediment on the bottom of the tank. So guys, what I'm trying to say is try to be a little aware of what you guys doing as far as your heating is concerned, especially if you have oil, because you want to make sure you have oil in the tank. And you want to make sure it doesn't go too low, especially like today, because right now we're expecting a storm, and we're expecting some heavy snow, heavy winds, and it's freaking cold, baby. You know me, I like the cold, but I know everybody don't like the cold, and that's neither here or there. But guys, do your maintenance. So right now, Clemente is right now replacing the strainer for the oil pump, and we replaced the filter already at the oil tank. So guys, with that being said, if you have a problem with your boiler and you need maintenance done, call this handsome son of a bitch at Louie the Boiler Man at 516-377-5200. Hvac.
Tres octavos, Cali.
Alright, mi gente, I want to show you something. Guys, whenever you're doing maintenance, you're checking the boiler, you're making sure that everything's running okay, and part of your maintenance is to make sure that everything is working okay. So right now we're changing the oil filter from the oil tank, and guess what? I just want to show you, it's dripping here. It's a little hard to see in the camera, but what happens is there's a pinhole here and it's leaking oil. Right now I took some of the oil out, so it's a little hard to see, but there's a pinhole here and it's leaking oil, and of course it's only a quarter of a tank. So imagine if there was a full tank, 275 gallons, how much oil is going to be coming out from here. Not only going to make a mess, it's going to smell, it's an inconvenience, and guys, we just don't want to mess. So guys, we're going to replace it with a new one. You guys can see right here, it's a new canister, a new filter canister. We'll change it completely. So I'm going to show you how to replace an oil filter canister completely from Louie the Boiler Man. Stay tuned. Hvac. Alright guys, it's officially a wrap. We just finished wrapping her up. So we finished doing the tune-up on the oil burner, which is the Riello oil burner you see right here behind me. And we also changed the filter canister in the, by the oil tank, which is in another room. So guys, you want to talk about maintenance. Maintenance has to be done. Always be aware of your surroundings. Check what's going on in the boiler room. Listen, in this case, we found a leak, and it's better that you let the customer know now than later, because not only you're going to create a mess, then you know what happens is they're going to tell you, why didn't you check it before? Why didn't you tell me before? So guys, these things do happen, so always be aware of your surroundings and what's going on. So with that being said, guys, I hope you liked the video. Hey, most important, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell button. Don't even hit that bell. Smash that bell button. Leave a comment below, and I'd love to hear from you. Hvac.